Report 9800 PIR Answers to find participants who do not have answers for yes or no PIR questions related to family services, health, immunizations, mental health, and transportation. Click the Reports menu and select the PIR category. Open Report 9800. Select the correct program terms, sites, and classrooms. Include enrolled and all dropped participants. Check the box to exclude no-shows. And check the boxes corresponding to the service areas you would like to monitor. Select All in the Answers menus and check the box to only show PIR fields that are blank. Click View in Grid to view a list of only the PIR questions that have not been answered. Be on the lookout for the next #CPsmart video.